I've been waiting for a long time. What took you pheasants so long?
Oh dear, please come inside. Squirrel, I think you caught a cold.
There you go.
Eat this all up. It'll make you feel much better.
Thank you very much.
I'll feed it to you, Squirrel.
The pheasants are being so nice to me. I am feeling much better now. I can pretend to be sick for a little longer. Hey, I'm still feeling kind of hungry. It is a little warm.
No problem.
Your Majesty, how can we serve you? Your favorite! Oh, yeah! These look excellent. Squirrel! Squirrel! Acorns! I gotta get my hands on some acorns. This is taking a long time. Where are they? Huh? Is that a giant gold acorn? It's perfect!
Look at this acorn!
Hey, it's mine!
I found it on the ground.
Hand it over!
Oh? That's too bad. When you're not feeling well, it's best to eat hot porridge and stay away from acorns.
All right, then we get to eat it. Hang on, I really want to eat this acorn, and I'm not even sick. I've just been pretending.
I need a place to hide. Is there something wrong, baby lamb? Playing hide and seek. I have to hide because I'm playing hide and seek. I want to play. Is it okay if we join the game? Yeah. All right, let's find a place to hide. Hi, Mom. We're home.
Where are you, my baby?
Oh, Mrs. Lamb, I heard you from inside.
That's a perfect place to hide. Here, baby lamb, get in. Okay.
Maybe they're up here. I found Chip.
You found me.
I found Dury. I found Bobby and Jack together.
Yeah, looks like you found us.
Maybe she's right here?
Hey, Ma, how did you figure out that I was hiding in there?
Well, I saw your wool sticking out of the basket, sweetie. I know you don't like it, but your wool still needs to get trimmed every once in a while.
What? So you weren't just playing hide and go seek. You were running away from getting your wool cut? And if baby lamb had gotten her wool cut, she never would have been found while we were playing hide and seek.
That's right.
Really? Mama, I want to get my wool cut. Can I please? Bobby, now catch it! What are you waiting for, Bobby? Kick the ball!
Yeah!
Whoa!
Sorry, I'll go get it back. Where did this ball go?
Well, hello there. My name is Armadillo.
Have you seen my ball?
We're playing ball together? That sounds great!
Honestly, I'm not very good at playing ball. I wish I was a lot better at it.
I can help, with being the ball, that is.
What do you mean? Check it out, I found the ball. Here it comes. Jam.
Yo! What? Wow, look!
Let's go!
My goodness, Bobby, you could really play ball.
Ready, set, shoot!
Ow!
Whoa, what is that? I'm sorry. I didn't mean to kick you that hard. I really wish I was better at playing ball.
Bobby, it's all right. The most important thing to remember when playing any game is to have fun with it.
Whoa, huh? And pull! After it! Don't let it get away!
Hey, it's Chip.
Nut Skipper, did you see our kite anywhere over here?
See, guys? It's right here.
Whoa!
I'm not a kite, I'm a stingray. I was playing and minding my own business when all of a sudden the tide went out and I got stuck on shore.
And lift! And lift!
Follow me, pheasants. We're going this way.
I don't think I can go any further. Hey, why don't we try to fly Stingray like the kite? 1, 2, 3! Yeah!
Wow! The stingray is flying!
Pheasants, I'm really flying!
Stingray! Fly higher! Fly even higher!
All right now, hold on!
Woohoo! The kite is right on top! Yeah! We found the kite!
Yahoo! I'm heading back to the ocean!
Chip, do you want to come out with me? Where did he go? Chip? Chip?
She can't see me when I'm in this blanket.
Chip, where are you?
Maybe he went up the stairs. My brothers and sisters also can't see me. Oh, Chip!
He's not here either.
Chip! Pheasants! Let's play! Okay!
Squirrel, you're here.
Wow! I want to try it too! My acorns! Here! They're moving all on their own! It's a ghost! It's a ghost! It's a
Are you okay, Chip?
Yeah. Mom, can you see me?
Yes, dear. Mommy can find you no matter how you look.
Oh, Mom.
Ready? It's time to go.
I want to keep playing. I don't want to go.
Mommy, can baby kangaroo sleep over at our house
sweetheart.
tonight?
Huh? What?
Really? Can I stay?
Sleepover?
I'm in. I'm coming to get ya. Gotcha. Big jump.
What's wrong, baby kangaroo? Can't sleep?
Yeah, I can't sleep. Oh, I want mommy.
Well then, let's wish to the star. And ta-da!
I want a big giant corn on the cob.
I want to live in a house made out of flowers.
I want to ride a flying bike. Woohoo!
I want to play with the stars.
I want my mommy to get here sooner.
Baby!
Mommy!
Knocking this late. Oh, Miss Kangaroo. So the star just made his wish come true.
What?
Wow, they were just up chatting a moment ago.
Your package is here.
Whoa!
Huh?
A package!
Hello. Well then, gotta go. Enjoy.
What?
It looks like Mr. Hummingbird delivered to the wrong house. I definitely didn't order this.
Mr. Hummingbird! Mr. Hummingbird!
I wonder how you work it.
Let's take a look. Aha! I see. It's a hammer. There's a handle and big round things on each end of it. It helps you hammer nails.
This isn't a hammer. This is way too light to hammer in a nail. Oh, I hear something funny in there.
Oh, I know. Mom, this is a music instrument.
What? An instrument? Huh? Ay, ay, ay. You'd have to be a baby gorilla to play that thing. It's far too big for me to play.
Baby gorilla! Let's go! Now, Katuri package. Let's go!
Just wait a little bit, okay?
Package delivery.
Oh, wow, it's finally here!
Hello, here's your package. This belongs to baby gorilla, right?
Let's see. Look, baby!
I need one more before it's done. Oh, so shiny. That's the one. Huh? Bob, I'm cold. Dun, 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 dun. The moment you've all been waiting for. Why is it so cold all of a sudden? Where did my top shell go?
This time around, my dumpling's gonna be even bigger. Hey, did anyone see where my shovel went? Yeah, where did all of our tools go?
Hey, that looks like a better one. Maybe a thief was here.
A thief?
Oh, look, it's wide and comfortable. Huh? I think the bucket is gone.
What?
Huh? There! It's a thief! Stop there, you thief!
Stop right there!
What? Ah! Huh? It's hermit crab?
So I woke up from my sleep and somebody had taken my house. And I was looking for a new shell, but...
You mean this top horn?
Yeah, that's right!
Actually, hermit crab, it was sort of me who took your shell. I'm sorry.
Whoa! It's huge!
The apple you chicks grew is the biggest I've ever seen. I think we should bring it to the fruit festival with us.
The fruit festival?
Let's go get the cart.
Yeah!
I guess I'll dig in now.
And we're off! What was that?
Oh, my!
What is it?
Caterpillar, why is there a giant hole in our apple?
Huh? Oh, I'm sorry. I had no idea it was yours.
Well, now that the cart is broken, how do we get the fruit to the festival?
Ah, let's put wheels right on the apple.
Put wheels on the apple? One here.
Last one.
Our apple cart is complete! Woohoo!
All right, everyone, let's drive.
And pull.
Huh? Step aside, it's the apple cart!
I say we make our melon into a car also. Yeah.
I'm gonna make a pear cart!
Everyone, let's drive.
We are on our way. Our fruit has peels. And also wheels. What a yummy drive! Oh, I'm a flower fairy. I don't really like my head decoration. Ha! I've got it. I'm gonna look for one in the flower garden.
Hurry up now, or you'll be late.
Don't worry, this won't take long. There's so many flowers to choose from. Whoa, that one's so pretty. I wonder what kind of flower it is. Uh-oh. Ah, my goodness! Huh? Where is it? Huh?
I'm over here.
You poor thing. I'll help you out.
Easy.
Huh?
Phew. Thanks for the help. Hello there. My name is Flower Mantis.
I'm getting ready for a costume party that's happening today. I'm looking for a flower for my head, something pretty and extra special. Though I still need to find a flower that will work for my costume.
I think I know just the thing you need.
Huh?
Ta-da!
Wow! Oh no, the sun is setting! I've got to get there. It's getting late and I don't want to miss the costume party.
Hey guys!
What's happening? Huh?
We have to get our friend here to the costume party fast. Can you help us?
All right, let's go.
Yeah! Whoa!
I'm worried about Dury. She should be here already.
Look, Mom, is that her there?
Wow!
A flower carriage!
Flower Mantis! Would you like to go dance with us?
Yeah!
Pheasant, stop! Never go in this cave. Because it's called the Dragon Cave, and there's a dragon that lives inside!
A real dragon? Hey, dragons aren't real.
Well, do you chicks want to go inside?
Acorn Rescue Team saves the day! Something slimy just touched my leg! Whoa! I think someone is looking at us.
Dragon!
Whoa! Stop, Mommy!
I'm not sure. Let's go find a way out of this place.
Hello, everyone! Huh? I didn't mean to scare you.
Wait, you're not a dragon!
No, I'm a salamander.
Yeah, but we have to find our way out. We have no idea where we are.
I can get you out of here with the mushroom boat.
1, 2, 3! That was scary!
Yeah, the echo is kind of scary.
Look how scary his shadow is.
Achoo!
And big sparkly eye. And his sneeze sounds like a howl.
The little salamander is the dragon! That's so cool!
Whoa! Ha! We're riding the dragon! Woohoo! We made it!
It's the exit! Treasure, treasure, where are you hiding?
Are you hiding under here?
Treasure, treasure, where is it hidden?
Is it here or is it there?
I found the most beautiful cherries in the forest. Look at my treasure. These flowers smell so good.
And I found this really, really cool pine cone. Check out my treasure. I found this rock that was stuck in the ground. It's so smooth and pretty, right?
Huh? But Bobby, I don't know if that's a treasure.
Sorry, Stone. I guess you're not a real treasure after all.
This is so cool, Squirrel.
This yo-yo is great. Can I try it too? My stone treasure. Where am I? Where am I?
Oh, hey there! I am the stone that you saved from the ground. I appreciate your help very much.
I feel bad. I didn't keep you as my treasure.
Let's go! I'm gonna take you on a little tour of Stone World.
Whoa!
Yeah! Woohoo!
It's so nice to meet all you stones.
Presenting the King Stone.
You must be a very brave soldier indeed, and you shall be rewarded for your kind deeds, soldier.
Well, actually, to tell you the truth, I threw the rock back on the ground. I had no idea that rocks could be such great friends. Rocks are just so much cooler than I thought. I mean, there's a million sizes, shapes, and colors. It's so much to like about rocks.
Admitting you are wrong about something is an act of bravery within itself. As King Rock, I honor you, Bobby, for a different type of bravery.
Well, shall we head to our new oasis?
Okay.
Oh, what a fancy-looking ball. Hello, little pheasants.
Grandpa Carol! How was your trip to the desert? Beautiful!
Wow!
And this? What is this?
That, it's a ball. I found it in the desert.
How did that happen, Chip?
Oh, that was weird. What's the matter, Chip?
The ball is cracking, guys!
Oh, how wonderful! My baby's hatched! Number 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the 5th one? Oh, my baby! Where are you? Did you fall out?
Cold. I'm cold.
The forest is too cold for the baby. We should really get him back to the desert.
Wow!
I think I picked up the egg somewhere in this area.
Doesn't Mrs. Iguana live over here?
I think so, but not anymore. It seems as though she's moved away.
This desert is huge. How are we gonna find Mrs. Iguana? Hey, Mom! Someone's sleeping during the daytime.
Wake up, Fennec Fox. Have some nice cold water.
Let's go up. You woke me up, and I was sleeping so well.
Sorry, we thought you were exhausted by the heat.
That's because we're from the forest, and we're on our way to the oasis.
I've got an idea. I can take you there. All aboard. I'd like to show you all how fun the desert really is. Now, let's go for a little sleigh ride. Watch out for the cactuses. Everybody hold on tight. We're gonna catch a little air.
This is so much fun!
That was so cool!
It's a sandstorm.
Stay close. Don't wander away from Mommy.
That's my baby! I just know it! Baby!
Mommy!
Oh, little pheasants. I just can't thank you enough for returning my baby.
You're welcome! I know. Let's play tag. Here I come. I'm in.
Chip!
Granny Turtle, I gotta go to the bathroom now.
Now, I'll carry you on my back. Hop on, kids. All ready to go now. Here's a turtle taxi. Let's get you home.
Let's go!
Carefully, carefully.
Well, I thought she'd go fast, but she's so slow. Granny Turtle, we have to get moving, or this is going to be bad.
Huh? But the sign says I...
Hurry, Granny Turtle! There's no one there. You could go.
Now, Jack, we can't go. We have to watch everything pass before we can move. Huh?
Chip, you feeling okay?
I really have to go to the toilet.
Oh, no! Granny Turtle, it's an emergency. Follow me.
Everyone hold on tight.
Huh? There's a stream up ahead.
Oh, look there! Up ahead! It's a waterfall!
Don't worry, kids. I've got this.
It's like a motorboat!
Now go, Chip, go!
Refreshing! Wow! It's snowing!
Huh? Now, Jack, don't forget your scarf.
You don't want me wearing an itchy old scarf, do you? Even if it's snowing, Jack the Invincible will be okay.
Wow!
Ha 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 ha! Snowball fight! Yeah! Here comes Jack the Invincible!
Mommy will bring Dr. Crocodile Bird over, so stay here in bed, Jack.
Yeah. It must be nice. I want to ride the sleigh too.
Woohoo! Yeah! Let's ride one more time.
Yay! Hey guys, I want to ride it too.
I thought that Mommy told you to stay home until you feel better.
I got over that tiny little cold. Ready? Let's go!
Jack?
Mommy?
Now it's all done.
I promise to always wear my scarf from now on. Did you hide? I'm coming to find you. Chip, where are you? Did you hide there?
Oh, I'm gonna get caught. What's that?
Oh! I think I heard Chip's voice.
Huh? Well, who dares come in here?
I'm Chip. Please hide me for a minute. The tiger is coming to find me.
Okay, but just for a short while.
What are all these flags for? Why is it empty here?
It's a place for the red flag, but I don't have a red flag to complete it.
Oh! How about my scarf? It's red. Finally, our pinwheel is complete.
Great job, Chip Crew.
Yes, General.
Chip.
Huh?
Chip, this way, this way.
Okay.
Chip. Huh?
Wow. A place like this in a secret base?
No, impossible. I saw him.
Oh, maybe you've mistaken it.
Oh! Am I really the member of the secret base? Thank
you. But I'm still the general.
Come out, Chip. Come out dancing.
The first made a house with straw. The second with mud. The third made with wood. And the youngest made a strong brick house. But just then, a wolf appeared. Huh?
What is this?
There's a hole in the book.
There's holes in the other books too. Let's make a house with the book.
Yeah!
And lure the culprit.
Yeah.
Gotcha!
Oh, it was the bookworms.
We were so curious what happened to the 4 pheasants.
Really? We know about the story. We remember everything in the book. A big wolf appeared in the forest. He went to the first pheasant's straw house. The wolf blew his breath, woo! And the first pheasant's straw house, swish, flew away. The wolf went to the last remaining brick house, but, woo! No matter how much the wolf blew, the strong brick house didn't budge. Then the wolf went up to the roof and entered the chimney.
You wolf! Why do you keep chasing us?
Oh, I'm sorry. I just wanted to play with you.
Did you? Then
Let's play together.
Great! The 4 pheasants and the wolf lived happily ever after.
The 4 pheasants and the wolf, the end.
Wow! That was so fun! It's too fast. Oh, wait! I think I need something to eat. I'm so hungry. It's a sweet yellow banana! Banana, here I come! It looks delicious. Whoa!
This is my banana. Yeah.
Grandpa, please give me a banana too.
If you want one, then try catching this banana.
Yeah.
Oh,
Whoa! Grandpa Monkey is super fast.
I can't catch it.
Let's work together to get that banana. We did it!
It's our banana now, right, Grandpa?
Enjoy the banana.
It's delicious! I feel energized after having that banana.
Now, I'm going to go first.
Catch this! We won!
Okay, little albatross. So, do you want to play dodgeball with us? Yes! I want to play dodgeball!
What? Don't you know how much it hurts if you get hit by the ball?
Ready, set, go!
Stay behind me. It's dangerous, but I'm here. It's dangerous! I'll keep you safe. Now, try to catch this.
Again? I want to catch the ball too.
Mr. Albatross, Baby Albatross didn't get much chance to catch the ball. Why don't you let her try this time?
That's all right. I need to protect her and make sure that she doesn't get hurt.
Catch this!
You got hit. Step outside now.
Oh no!
Bobby ball incoming!
I caught the ball! Hurry! Now!
Let's do it.
Twirl, tornado, shoot!
The winner of the dodgeball game is Dury's team.
Wow! We won!
Glad you asked. This is my newly made crawfish boat. I'm taking my new boat to visit my old friend Crocodile. I haven't seen him in a long time because he lives so deep in the jungle.
Can you take me to the jungle with you, Captain?
Take us!
Hee-ho! Hee-ho! Hee-ho!
Hey guys, it's kind of scary here.
Hee-ho! Hee-ho! What is that? It's a jungle monster! Hee-ho! 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 Hee-ho!
Slow down! It's dangerous!
dangerous over there. Ah! Rapids! Crawfish. Well, I guess you forgot what I look like. Well, I'll be. It's you, Crocodile. Sorry, old friend. One geezer can't recognize another. Glad you pheasants are all right. I was warning you about the rapids, but I guess I scared you. Either way, how would you pheasants like a tour of the deep jungle?
Yeah, that would be great!
Let's explore with our jungle friend. Crocodile boat going round a river bend. Oh, what wonders that the jungle holds.
Look, everyone, there's our friends!
That's not nice! Why do you keep doing that?
That's not nice! Why do you keep doing that?
That's not nice! Why do you keep doing that?
Did you just copy what I said?
Did you just copy what I said?
You're really good at copying people.
Then try to copy this, parrot. Superhero cartwheel, hi-ya, wah!
Superhero cartwheel, hi-ya, wah! Yo! Wah!
I'm leaving.
I'm leaving.
Yeah! Hero speed! There's a hole in the road! Whoa! Look what you did! You made us fall in the pit!
Look what you did! You made us fall in the pit!
A little help here!
A little help here!
We can use our combined superpowers to yell really, really loud! Super team!
Superhero yell! Someone help us! And again! Someone help us! Can anyone hear us?
Oh, the boys must be in trouble. Jack! Jack.
Superhero power!
Ta-da!
Hey, Chip, that's not a leaf.
That's just an old pine cone.
I think you found a wonderful treasure.
Thanks, Mom! Hello, pine cone. Huh? That's the last one. Let's head back.
No! Why are there pine cones everywhere?
What? Why is this in here?
Hey, Chip! I couldn't help but notice that there's a million pine cones all over the place.
Can you please get rid of them? No! I'm gonna go into the forest and bring back every pine cone.
Huh?
I got a bunch more pine cones. Yeah, hello, Chip. Who was that? It's me, Point Cone. This is a great pine cone. Are you ready to have fun together?
We can't wait!
I have new friends that I adore. Right on the forest floor. Pine cones, so magical. Pine cones, so wonderful.
Hey, Chip, could you please take us back home now? What? But I thought this was your home.
Well, thank you for inviting us here, but we live in the forest, Chip.
Oh, I see. I guess you're happy living in the forest. Oh, Mommy? I'm taking my pinecone friends back to the forest.
Let's all go together.
Yay! We need a flag. This is perfect for the top of the castle.
Our castle! It fell down when we were inside.
Look, what are those? I bet whoever left those destroyed their castle.
'Cause it's a dinosaur footprint. Hey, dinosaur! Where are you? Dinosaurs! Ah!
It's a real dinosaur!
Oh, kids, that's not a dinosaur. How are you, Mr. Komodo Dragon? It's very nice to see you again.
Oh, Mrs. Katuri, good to see you too.
So you're Mr. Komodo Dragon, and you're not a dinosaur, correct?
Mr. Komodo Dragon looks just like a dinosaur because he's a descendant of them.
Nice to meet you too, but I thought we were gonna meet a real dinosaur.
Oh, is that right? Well, would you like to meet a real dinosaur? Ta-da!
Whoa! It's got a pterodactyl, the flying dinosaur.
All kinds of dinosaurs. They lived long, long ago. Pterodactyls flew in the sky, and Brachiosaurus used to eat grass and leaves from the forests.
Wow!
Ha ha ha! Let's run away!
Come on back anytime you'd like, pheasant friends.
Yes, Mr. Komodo Dragon! They're collecting honey.
Whoa! You collected so much honey.
Yeah, we collected for the queen bee. She needs it for her tea party. You're having a tea party?
Whoa!
This is where we have our tea parties. Here comes the queen! Ladies and gentlemen, the queen has arrived!
Good afternoon, Your Majesty.
Enjoy, my pheasant friends.
It's so yummy! It's perfectly sweet. Wait, little pheasants. Don't drink the tea like that.
What?
Tea parties require a certain amount of etiquette, kids. When you pick up your cup, make sure that you're sitting up straight. And when you're taking a sip, don't slurp.
That's not as fun. Achoo!
Oh no, the honey! Are you all right? Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
Golden and sweet, la la la, it can be beat, la la la. Honey is the best. The honeybees start tea parties, and they're so much fun.
Okay, fly, Boomerang!
Wow! Something's on it! Let's find the owner!
Okay! Huh? I think I lost my bracelet in the forest.
Let's look for it with Dad. Look after the camping car.
Huh? Look at that! There's an interesting looking car. It looks like a house.
Stop there!
Whoa!
No one can come in without my permission. Joko, can we have a look around? Sure thing.
I'll let you look around for a bit.
Woohoo! It's so interesting!
Wee-wah! Go!
It's dangerous!
Huh? Choco! Choco, 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 Choco! Whoa! Oh, Choco!
Baby birds?
Huh?
Yep.
Huh? You came to return my bracelet to me.
Chirp. Mommy!
Let's go home with Mommy.
Yes!
Bye! Bye, baby birds!
Here, subscribe to our channel.